Welcome to Claverius Useful Phrases series. Visit our website for more interactive practice, private or group class with our business English trainers. Enjoy listening. Our coffee beans are sourced from Ethiopia. Our coffee beans are sourced from Ethiopia. This roast has hints of dark chocolate. This roast has hints of dark chocolate. Try our single origin coffee. Try our single origin coffee. We use freshly ground beans for every cup. We use freshly ground beans for every cup. This blend includes notes of caramel. This blend includes notes of caramel. Our decaf is Swiss water processed. Our decaf is Swiss water processed. We offer organic coffee options. We offer organic coffee options. This coffee has a fruity undertone. This coffee has a fruity undertone. We use whole milk, but alternatives are available. We use whole milk, but alternatives are available. Try our oat milk latte. Try our oat milk latte. This espresso blend is full-bodied. This espresso blend is full-bodied. Our beans are roasted locally. Our beans are roasted locally. This coffee has a nutty flavor. This coffee has a nutty flavor. We offer fair trade coffee. We offer fair trade coffee. Our mocha uses real cocoa powder. Our mocha uses real cocoa powder. This blend is perfect for cold brew. This blend is perfect for cold brew. We use cane sugar in our syrups. We use cane sugar in our syrups. Try our house-made vanilla syrup. Try our house-made vanilla syrup. This roast has a smoky finish. This roast has a smoky finish. We have a variety of non-dairy milks. We have a variety of non-dairy milks. Our cold brew is steeped for 24 hours. Our cold brew is steeped for 24 hours. This coffee has floral notes. This coffee has floral notes. We use a medium roast for our drip coffee. We use a medium roast for our drip coffee. Our espresso shots are pulled fresh. Our espresso shots are pulled fresh. This coffee is low in acidity. This coffee is low in acidity. Visit claverius.com for more interactive practice. Try our coconut milk cappuccino. Try our coconut milk cappuccino. Our chai is made with real spices. Our chai is made with real spices. This blend includes a hint of cinnamon. This blend includes a hint of cinnamon. We grind our beans daily. We grind our beans daily. This coffee has a smooth finish. This coffee has a smooth finish. We use filtered water for our brews. We use filtered water for our brews. Our matcha is ceremonial grade. Our matcha is ceremonial grade. This decaf has a rich flavor. This decaf has a rich flavor. We offer cold foam as a topping. We offer cold foam as a topping. This coffee has a bright acidity. This coffee has a bright acidity. Try our almond milk latte. Try our almond milk latte. Our syrups are made in-house. Our syrups are made in-house. This roast is light and airy. This roast is light and airy. We use organic cane sugar. We use organic cane sugar. Our cold brew is extra smooth. Our cold brew is extra smooth. This coffee has a spicy kick. This coffee has a spicy kick. We offer pumpkin spice in the fall. We offer pumpkin spice in the fall. Our espresso has a sweet crema. Our espresso has a sweet crema. This blend is bold and robust. This blend is bold and robust. We use sustainable packaging. We use sustainable packaging. Our mocha is made with Belgian chocolate. Our mocha is made with Belgian chocolate. This coffee has a velvety texture. This coffee has a velvety texture. We offer flavored syrups. We offer flavored syrups. Our beans are shade-grown. Our beans are shade-grown. This roast has a rich body. This roast has a rich body. Visit claverius.com for more interactive practice. Try our lavender latte. Try our lavender latte. We use agave syrup as a sweetener. We use agave syrup as a sweetener. Our cold brew concentrate is strong. Our cold brew concentrate is strong. This coffee has herbal notes. This coffee has herbal notes. We offer soy milk as an option. We offer soy milk as an option. Our espresso is perfectly balanced. Our espresso is perfectly balanced. This blend is great for espresso. This blend is great for espresso. We source our beans from small farms. We source our beans from small farms. Our hot chocolate uses real milk. Our hot chocolate uses real milk. This roast is medium dark. This roast is medium dark. We use heavy cream for richness. We use heavy cream for richness. Our caramel sauce is homemade. Our caramel sauce is homemade. This coffee has a citrusy brightness. This coffee has a citrusy brightness. We offer honey as a sweetener. We offer honey as a sweetener. Our fraps are blended to perfection. Our fraps are blended to perfection. This decaf is smooth and rich. This decaf is smooth and rich. We use coconut sugar in some drinks. We use coconut sugar in some drinks. Our beans are freshly roasted weekly. Our beans are freshly roasted weekly. This coffee has a berry-like sweetness. This coffee has a berry-like sweetness. Try our hazelnut syrup. Try our hazelnut syrup. Our matcha lattes are a customer favorite. Our matcha lattes are a customer favorite. This roast is mild and smooth. This roast is mild and smooth. We use real vanilla beans. We use real vanilla beans. Our iced coffee is double brewed. Our iced coffee is double brewed. This coffee has a balanced flavor. This coffee has a balanced flavor.
Visit claverius.com for more interactive practice.
We offer stevia as a sugar substitute. We offer stevia as a sugar substitute. Our cappuccinos are expertly crafted. Our cappuccinos are expertly crafted. This blend is perfect for lattes. This blend is perfect for lattes. We use sea salt in our caramel drinks. We use sea salt in our caramel drinks. Our espresso is rich and complex. Our espresso is rich and complex. This coffee has a creamy mouthfeel. This coffee has a creamy mouthfeel. We offer maple syrup as a sweetener. We offer maple syrup as a sweetener. Our cold brew is less acidic. Our cold brew is less acidic. This roast is dark and intense. This roast is dark and intense. We use local honey in some drinks. We use local honey in some drinks. Our lattes are silky smooth. Our lattes are silky smooth. This coffee has a bold character. This coffee has a bold character. We offer a variety of herbal teas. We offer a variety of herbal teas. Our beans are hand-selected. Our beans are hand-selected. This blend has a balanced acidity. This blend has a balanced acidity. We use fresh spices in our chai. We use fresh spices in our chai. Our mocha lattes are decadent. Our mocha lattes are decadent. This coffee has a complex aroma. This coffee has a complex aroma. We offer sugar-free syrup options. We offer sugar-free syrup options. Our espresso is strong and flavorful. Our espresso is strong and flavorful. This roast is rich and deep. This roast is rich and deep. We use real fruit in our smoothies. We use real fruit in our smoothies. Our iced lattes are refreshing. Our iced lattes are refreshing. This coffee has a sweet finish. This coffee has a sweet finish. We offer seasonal flavors. We offer seasonal flavors.
Thank you for listening Claverius Business English Series. Visit our website for more interactive practice, private or group live session with our business English trainers.